Alright guys and gals, my name is Olivia Basham and I'm going to be taking you through this online tutorial of how to use Easybib, which is an amazing resource to help you write your research papers. So the first thing we need to do is we need to get in. If you already have a login, go ahead and log in now. But for most of us we're going to need to register, so go ahead and hit the register button here in the upper right. Now you'll see that you have a place to register. So you'll go ahead and give it your first and last name, your email address, your password, confirm that password, and then you're going to want to give it your coupon code. Now, if you're doing this with a high school, I would say 90% of high schools have a coupon code so that you can use all the services of Easybib for free. And in fact, most universities do as well. But if you don't have a coupon code, you can go ahead and get in for right now and find out that coupon code, because there is a place to enter it when you get inside, and I'll show you that also. So go ahead and take a minute to get registered, but I do need to give you a warning, which is if you're going to use a Yahoo or a Google email, you need to go ahead and choose Yahoo or Google now, because later on when you try to sign in, if you type in that email address instead of choosing Yahoo or Google, then you're going to have a more difficult time. And then you may have to put in the coupon code once you get inside, but again, I am going to show you how to do that. So go ahead and take a moment to register, and I'll meet you inside. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like inside. I have a couple of projects already completed, so don't be alarmed if yours doesn't look just like this. And if you did make it in without putting in your coupon code, I would like to show you where you would do that. If you come up here, you'll see your email address, and then you'll choose Settings. And then there's a place for you to go ahead and put in your coupon code now that you're in. Or if you don't have one, and you really should check with your high school library or college library first, because this isn't a free service typically, but a coupon code does make it free. But if not, then you'll go ahead and where it says show your payment or service history, then you can go ahead and pay for that with either a credit card or PayPal. I'm not positive how much it costs, but if it's less than $50, I would say that it's absolutely worth it, because it helps you do so much. Let me go ahead and hit my back button. So again, this is the very first page when you came in, and what I need you to do is go ahead and hit this green button that says New Project. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to give it a project name that is specific enough that you can find it later, but not too long, which makes it more difficult to find. Don't give it a name like paper or something nebulous like that. Give it something more specific. So I'll name it using Easybib. You should name it whatever the basic idea of your paper is. Okay, so then you have a choice. You need to choose either MLA 6, MLA 7, APA, or Chicago Turabian. Now, MLA 6 is the old format. MLA 7 is probably what you're going to want to be using if you're writing a research paper for English. Now, APA is used more often in psychology and history and other social studies, and then Chicago Turabian really pops up almost anywhere. If you're not really sure which one you should be using right now, go ahead and go with MLA 7, because that's what we're going to be using in this tutorial. The nice thing is that you can switch back and forth at any time. This isn't a final decision right now. So if you start the tutorial today and then you go back and you find out that your professor really wanted APA or your teacher really wanted APA, then you can switch that later. It'll be pretty easy. So choose MLA 7 for now, and then hit Create. And that gets you started. So see you at the next video.